Alright, welcome back to my latest video. I'm not sure what this is going to be called, but it will be an update on Bitcoin. They had a major announcement about Bitcoin. Well, some people won't see it as major, but it's pretty big, and maybe not today, but later people will see. But here we are in my Robinhood account. Yes, I still use Robinhood because still have $610 of not my money, because you get a free stock when you refer someone. And you do not have to make a deposit. You do not have to post things on Facebook and the like. You just open your account and you get a free stock and I get a free stock. Okay, anyway. So also let's do the disclaimer. Here's fair use disclaimer under Section 107 of the U.S. Copyright Act. I can show the things that I'm showing because I'm doing it for comment, news reporting, and I'll say information, not teaching, because I'm just sharing things that I hear. Alright? Okay, so we're done with that. Go back over here. So yesterday was a horrible day in the market, right? If you don't know. Today we're up $21, so that's good. So I didn't make any sales or purchases, but I just wanted to show you what some of them did. There was some good moves. This was bad. Plug they had some negative news come up, but I'm sure they'll overcome. Plus, remember, I didn't buy this. This was one of the free stocks that I got. Matter of fact, I think both of these are the last two, and that's why it's separating them. See how there's a thing here? I think they're separating them, but whatever. So here's 4.5%, 1%. Here's 9%. Nano Dimensions was up 9%. Lots of 3 to 6%. Here's another one. ISR up 9%, but still some of these got hit so bad. The marijuana stocks had a good day. Look at that. Sundial up 11. Zomedica, that's down, but that'll pick up. And plus, this is good because I got in this when it was 90 cents. And I did buy some more, but, Alright, this was up 8%. 3%. Almost. Oh, AMC is up. If AMC gets to 15, I'm selling that. Anyway, it seems to have run its course, the Reddit revolution. So look, 17%. This was up 17%. Wow. So, it's up down day, but good. I suspect tomorrow will be good. Hopefully all the bad news. Remember Jerome Powell? Jerome Powell spoke and the markets seemed to like what he said. So there was a turnaround. Yeah, so see? Lots of green. Here's another. Oh, I was waiting for this to get to a certain point and I'm going to sell the rest of that. 7%. Yeah, so doing good. Alright, so now what we're really here for is over here, but that's not the first article. Okay, so this is the big announcement. Morgan Stanley becomes the first big U.S. bank to offer its wealthy clients, notice that, it's just the wealthy clients, access to Bitcoin funds. And see, that's crazy. Why can't they just go buy their own Bitcoin, right? They could open a Cash App account. Cash App account. They could get their own, but no. So, what do they consider wealthy? They have to have at least $2 million in assets held by the firm. So $2 million with Morgan Stanley will get them access to Bitcoin. And I don't even think, so it's crypto. It's not just Bitcoin. I guess it's others as well. But, so they're funds. They've put together funds through Galaxy Digital and NYDIG. Yeah, so this is the big announcement today. So it just opens it up to another group of people, right? So Morgan Stanley is only allowing its wealthier clients access to the volatile asset. Okay? Like right now, everything is in volatile, right? Some of these stocks are up, down, up, down, up, down. 350, remember last week Intrex was up over 350% in like hours. But anyway, So they also have a report that they sent out, because I had a different article, but I just get so busy and I don't do what I'm supposed to do, and then the days get away, and so then more news comes out. So they're actually launching access to 3 funds that will enable ownership of Bitcoin. So this is pretty big news. This came out today. And what it does, it will, let's see. Bitcoin's rally in the past year has put Wall Street firms under pressure to consider getting involved in the nascent asset class. But look, now they're even being forced to call it an asset class. For so long, they didn't even want to talk about it, or if they did talk about it, it was just bad. Everything was negative, right? And now you have, let's see, Morgan Stanley is limiting. Oh, and they're limiting it to 2.5% of their total net worth. Wow. Okay. So I guess maybe Galaxy. No, I guess these are probably exclusive for Morgan Stanley. But maybe they have other funds at other places, right? But I'm like, just learn about it and access it yourself. Why go through these people that you have to pay, right? They have to pay a fee to their financial advisors. So, but yeah, let's see. So Goldman Sachs chased the Bank of America's wealth. Look at that. They just had to put a little dig into their competition. They list them and they do not currently allow their advisors to offer Bitcoin investments. Wow. But hey, that's business, right? So yeah. Related new debt tied to a basket of stocks, like MicroStrategy. Okay. So maybe they're in these funds also, MicroStrategy and Square. But whatever. And guess what Square is? Square is Cash App. And if you don't have Cash App, guess what? Look in the description box and you can use my link. Alright, so here's some more news. A Dutch political candidate puts up Bitcoin is the future billboards with laser eyes. Now, I don't know why he did that, why he made his eyes that way, but still, just bringing awareness, right? So he's running for this. This is Robert Valentine, and he's running for the chairman of the Dutch Libertarian Party. So he's a pro-Bitcoin parliamentary candidate, and I bet you he will take donations in Bitcoin. Wow, look at that. So that is Dutch. So that's another country for those of you who don't know. Alright, so the next bit of news. Oh, this was just more information about NYDIG. Bitcoin firm NYDIG raises $200 million. And see, so these are the other places that they've helped acquire funds or have taken, like Mass Mutual put 100 million Bitcoin, well, $100 million worth of Bitcoin as one of their holdings. So, yeah, because they're looking for value and they're looking all over to find value. So they've done the same for, I never heard of this, Stone Ridge, Soros Fund Management. Look at that, the devil himself. And FS Investments. So there's a lot of people, a lot of companies coming on board, putting a percentage of their money to store value, right? They're not getting Bitcoin to pay with. They're getting it to store value to make money. Here's a little bit of lesser known news. Thailand's largest movie theater chain accepts Bitcoin. Major Cineplex Group is starting to accept Bitcoin as part of a crypto pilot project, and I believe it was only for tickets. Yep, it's a pilot project and a move to support innovation and new technologies. Let's see my time. Okay, we're good. All right, next. And here is another billionaire. What's his name? Howard Marks, co-founder of an investment Oaktree Capital, says he has reconsidered his previous dismissive stance on Bitcoin. Matter of fact, let's see. Where is Bitcoin right now as we speak? If you don't know, it had almost gotten to it's 58,711, right? Let's see. You know what? I should just look on my phone. Yeah, actually, it's 58,801 right now. So it's creeping back up. And I wonder if maybe it's probably on the news from the Fed and this news about JP Morgan. All right. So he just says, well, is he actually getting involved? It was an unfounded fad. But now he's having to. He said it had no intrinsic value, but guess what? Neither does fiat money. And there are plenty of things that people want and value highly that have no intrinsic value. So, yeah. So now he's coming aboard. He likes that there's only 21 million of them. And because the price is rising, well, no, and the market is circular. It's just going to keep, I sell it, you buy it, the next person, you sell it, they buy it. It'll just keep going. Well, there are some coins that are lost, so they're just sitting, right? And if they can't find them, if they can't find their access to them, then they'll just sit there. But for the most part, most Bitcoin is moving. And because it is being used as a form of payment now, that demands, it'll have that usage demand will drive up the price, as well as people investing, right? And what's the last one? Okay, and here's another. Norwegian oil billionaire says Bitcoin could be worth millions of dollars each. And eventually, in some years, I do believe that too. So he puts liquid company assets in Bitcoin. So here's another one too. Goldman Sachs reports rising customer demand for Bitcoin. So this was an older report. But yeah, so they'll be looking at it. So billionaire, I don't have no idea. Roki? Aker? I don't know what his name is, right? But he established a new business dedicated to Bitcoin. So what are you waiting for? Yeah. So he took some of his company's money and he put it in Bitcoin. 59 million is what his company's worth, right? Oh no, it looks like he did put 59 million into Bitcoin. We will use Bitcoin as our treasury asset and join the community. In Bitcoin speak, we will be a hodler. Hodler, I don't even know. Anyway, so yeah, here's another person changing their mind. And if you haven't gotten into Bitcoin and you would like to, again, Cash App. My link is in the description box. Alright, so you can see it's not quite at, it's still not as user-friendly as they need it to be for masses to use it, but it's coming along. It is coming along. Alright, so thanks for watching my video. Give it a like if you'd like. And copy the share link also. That would help me out. Alright, thanks for watching. And come back again.